Hello and welcome back to Obscure Jewels, where I am your host as well as your narrator, Crayola Coaster. And today we'll be reading from Paw Patrol's Potty Time by Spin Masters, illustrations by Harry Moore. So as usual, if you have a copy, please grab your copy and let's read together. Uh-oh! Daniel is playing at the park when suddenly he feels like he needs to go potty. He needs to stop what he's doing and find a bathroom. Right away. Chase is on the case. The Possum Pup helps Daniel get to the bathroom. In time. Call the Paw Patrol. When you feel that feeling, that means it's time to stop what you're doing and head to the bathroom. Let's roll. Call the Paw Patrol. Sometimes accidents happen. If you don't make it to the potty in time, just take a breath, get cleaned up, and try again next time. Emma made it to the potty. Great job, but now it's taking a really long time to go. That's okay. Call the Paw Patrol. Waiting on the potty until you're ready to go is an important mission. To pass the time, you can read a book or sing a song. Taylor is all done using the potty. Sky flies in and drops off the toilet paper. When Taylor is finished, she flushes the toilet. The whooshing sound makes her giggle. Call the Paw Patrol. Take only as much toilet paper as you need. Great job, you're on a roll. Look, Mateo washes his hands after flushing the potty. Ready, set, get wet. He works up a bubbly foam with the soap. Then rinses his hands and dries them on a towel. It's cool to get clean. Call the Paw Patrol. After you go, wipe and flush the toilet. Be sure to scrub your hands with soap and water. Let's dive in. Try singing a song while you wash and rinse to make sure that you scrub long enough. Daniel, Emma, Taylor, and Mateo all went potty. They knew they had to go, so they stopped playing and found a bathroom. They waited, went, used toilet paper, and flushed. And then washed their hands. Call the Paw Patrol. Did you go too? 3 barks for you. Now that you know how to use the potty, you get to wear big kid underpants. Pup, pup, hooray! The end. And that was Paw Patrol Potty Time by Spin Masters, illustrations by Harry Moore. And as always, until next time, thank you all for tuning in, and don't forget, always and forever, keep reading. Thank you.